Okay, so please introduce yourself.
My name is Rafneet. I am 22. I have recently completed my graduation in BSc Medical stream from the famous and well reputed college named Baba Farid Group of Institutions, and I like to play tennis in my ideal time.
Okay, how often do you play tennis?
Well, it usually depends on the situation. Like if I have enough time
Hmm.
in order to pursue that activity, so I played that activity, but mostly on the weekends.
Okay, I do that activity, है ना?
Okay.
Play ना sport वगैरह हो गया. Okay, and have you ever represented your state, national level?
Unfortunately, not. I never get a chance to represent my country because I think that I am not good enough as I do not have that kind of qualities that a person needs in order to compete with others.
I have not represented my state, है ना? आप मतलब उसे गल कर रहे हो.
Okay.
Okay, would you like to try? Like, do you want to have your career in this?
I must say that if I ever get a chance to represent my state, I would definitely accept that. But I think that I have to burn the midnight oil in order to pursue that.
Okay, nice work. Now I will ask you some questions regarding New Year. How do you celebrate New Year?
I must say that most of the time I like to celebrate New Year along with my family members because I think that it is the best way to spend some quality time with my family members. Like I celebrate New Year by visiting different cafes or restaurants where I can enjoy different food cuisines and gossips with my friends.
Okay, great. And do you remember any particular New Year that you celebrated?
Yes, I vividly remember the New Year that I last celebrated. In that, I threw a party to all my near and dear ones where we enjoyed quality time.
And do you have any plan for this New Year?
I must say that not yet. I haven't planned anything about my New Year.
Okay, great. How often do you receive and send gifts?
I usually receive gifts on different occasions. Like if I talk about my birthday, on that occasion I receive a lot of gifts, and on occasions like I talk about different weddings or birthday celebrations, I send gift to my other friends or family members.
Okay, so do you think there is any pressure on us to send expensive gifts?
I don't think that I don't think that it is important to send or receive some costly gift. It is entirely up to the choice of a person. Like if she wants to show her or express her love towards other, in that case he or she must offer that gift to other person.
Okay, that's great. And, here's your cue card. Describe a plan in your life that is not related to work or study. You have a minute to prepare. Ready?
Yes.
Please begin.
Well, I have made many plans in my life, but most of them are related to my work or study. But here I would like to grab the opportunity to speak about a plan that I have recently made. Like I am planning to visit Manali in the upcoming winter days because I have heard a lot about that famous tourist spot. Moreover, I also came to know about the different weather conditions over that particular location. For that, I think that I have to make certain plans before going there. Like if I talk about the first thing that I have to do is the shopping because because the weather in Manali is quite colder. So for that I have to choose certain warm clothes that usually makes me feel warmer in that kind of climate. Along with that I have to arrange different tour packages so that I can get the best package because I want to go there along with my family members so that I can enjoy my quality time with them. Because of my monotonous lifestyle, I am not able to enjoy some time with them as I am not able to discuss my important things or matters with them on regular basis. So I find that if I get successful in that plan, I would be very relaxed because I find that it is the best way to deal with the psychosomatic problems because it helps to relax our fatigued mind too, and I really feel joyed and impressed after that.
ਓਕੇ ਆਈ ਵੁੱਡ ਫੀਲ ਵੈਰੀ ਰਿਲੈਕਸਡ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਈਡੀ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਣਾ ਸੀ ਨਾਲ
Okay.
ਇੱਕ ਨਾ ਦੋ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਦਾ ਧਿਆਨ ਰੱਖਣਾ ਇੱਕ ਤਾਂ ਸਪੀਡ ਨਾ ਥੋੜੀ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ
Okay.
ਦੂਸਰਾ ਕਨੈਕਸ਼ਨ
Okay.
ਵੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਇੱਕ ਪਰਸਨ ਦੋ ਆ ਏ ਤੇ ਬੀ ਮਤਲਬ ਏ ਇਕੱਲਾ ਦੱਸ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਤੇ ਬੀ ਹੁਣ ਮਤਲਬ
Okay.
ਇਨਕਲੂਡ ਕਰੋ ਉਸ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਕਨਵਰਸੇਸ਼ਨ ਰੱਖੋ ਥੋੜੀ ਜੀ ਇੱਕ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਸ਼ਾਰਟ ਸੀਗਾ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ ਅਦਰਵਾਈਜ਼ ਇਟ ਵਾਸ ਗੁੱਡ should parents make plans for children
In my opinion, it is important that the parents make plans for their children because they are at their best at planning or arranging different occasions.
nice work I could try to extend it because it is full of question when should children start to make plans for themselves
I think that it usually depends upon the level of maturity. Like if I talk about the teenagers, I think that they are not able to manage and direct different occasions. But if I talk about the person that are usually above 18 or 19 year of age, they are at good at planning. So they must make plans for themselves.
ਪੀਪਲ ਕਹਾਂਗੇ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਆਰ ਪਲੂਰਲ ਆ ਗਿਆ
Okay.
ਤੇ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਆਈ ਥਿੰਕ ਜੇ ਕਿਤੇ ਬਲੀਵ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਪਰਸਨਲੀ ਬਲੀਵ ਕਹਿ ਦੋ ਉਹ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਬੈਟਰ what things should be planned on daily basis
In my opinion, the foremost thing that we can plan on daily basis is that how our days goes. Like whenever when we woke up, it is important to have a list that we are going to do in our that day.
how our day goes
How our days.
days are the go day are the goes ਹੈ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ wake up ਹੈ ਨਾ first of all simple present ਚ ਰੱਖਾਂਗੇ ਆਪਾਂ
Okay.
one more question uh, how do people make plans
Uh, I think that people make plan. Sorry.
problem okay question is in general how do people make plans of course it depends upon person to person right you can add this thing in the beginning
Well, it usually depends on the choice of person. Like if a person is planning to go to go on a location that usually has colder winter, in that case he may choose different aspect. Like if a person is are going to visit the deserts, in that case he or she may
Mhm.
choose different aspect.
if a person army is if a person is ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਬਾਕੀ ਟ੍ਰਿਪ ਤੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਣਾ ਸਿੰਪਲੀ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਡੇਲੀ ਲਾਈਫ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈ ਨਾ
Okay.
it totally depends upon the person ਹੈ ਨਾ what kind of person that is whether he is a student or working right
Okay.
either he is and
Schedule ਤੇ ਡਿਪੈਂਡ ਕਰੂਗਾ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਮੈਨੇਜ ਕਰ
yes
ਸਕਦਾ.
ਇਹ ਚੀਜ਼ ਮੇਨ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਤੇ ਹੌਬੀਜ਼ ਦਾ ਮੈਂਸ਼ਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈਗਾ
Okay.
it was good score ਵਧੀਆ ਵਧੀਆ ਹੈਗਾ ਕੰਪਲੈਕਸ ਸਟਰਕਚਰਸ ਐਡ ਕਰੋ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੇ ਨੇ ਬਸ ਸੁਪਰ